Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Toyman here. I'm in Albert Lea, Minnesota. We have a severe thunderstorm coming through. It was pouring earlier and we had a torrential downpour. You hear all the thunder. There's my car. Oops. There we go. There's the car. Watched that today earlier. Of course now it's gonna rain, right? Go figure. Anyways. Out here recording the rainstorm. Lightning. Got some severe weather coming through the area of Minnesota, Albert Lea. Doesn't look too bad, doesn't look all that dark. But there's a lot of thunder activity. There has been some jagged lightning going around, but let's see if the camera can pick some of it up, hopefully. I'm in a garage, staying dry. Oh, look at that. There's a good shot. Alright, I'm going back inside. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch everybody later. Bye for now.